Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Zacharias with Inkoff.me, a laser tattoo removal clinic here in Sacramento, California. I'd like to talk today about laser tattoo removal. I have heard a lot of questions over the years from people asking me about the laser tattoo removal process, and I'd like to answer some of those questions today. First, many people ask why. Why do people want tattoos removed? There are as many reasons to have a tattoo removed as there are reasons to have a tattoo placed. I think the most common one is the names of old lovers. People move on, they're no longer part of this person's life, and they want to have this name that they've had for maybe a decade removed. And that's a very common reason for wanting a tattoo removed. Another common reason is just something that embarrasses you. You had it placed when you were young, when you were in a different frame of mind, and now you no longer desire to have that tattoo wherever you've had it placed. Tattoos, how do they work? How do they put the ink where it goes under the skin? Well, what happens is you visit a tattoo parlor and they use needles to place large globules of ink underneath the skin. And those large globules are for the most part left alone by the body, and that's why they remain for the duration of your life and are very permanent. What does it feel like to have a tattoo removed? Well, it has been likened to having a rubber band snapped against your skin or grease splattering off a pan onto your skin. It's a very short duration of pain, but it can be uncomfortable. What can we do about that uncomfortable sensation? There are several things. First, we can use a numbing cream using lidocaine, tetracaine, benzocaine. Those are placed on the surface of the skin, numbing the surface of the skin prior to the procedure. We can also use ice prior to the procedure, and that also gives a numbing sensation to the skin. How does the procedure work? It's very simple. Several different lasers are used depending on the type of tattoo that you have. Some different colors of tattoos require different lasers. The laser tattoo device is held like a pen, and it's almost like painting over the tattoo in similar fashion to the tattoo artist working on your skin. The laser is used to paint over the lines and the colorings of the tattoo, and what that does is it breaks up those globules of ink. It's a fairly quick procedure, about as quick as you can imagine painting over your tattoo is about how long it takes to perform the procedure. What do I do after the procedure is performed? How can I take care of myself? Well, after the procedure is performed, your skin is going to be a little red and angry, a little bit sensitive, almost like a sunburn, essentially. Sometimes you can develop small petechiae, which are small globules of blood that rise to the surface of the skin. And sometimes there can be a small amount of blistering. These are infrequent but do occur with tattoo removal. And the way to prevent some of these complications is with ice and more ice. And what you do is you want to put ice on the area for about 20 minutes and then take it off for 20 minutes and repeat that at least 3 to 4 times. A well-iced wound will heal really well and should not develop blisters. We're here for you in the Sacramento area if you have tattoos that you would like to have removed. If you want to have that ink off you, call us at 916-600-4428.